packet switching and circuit switching. What do you understand by switched communication networks? A collection of nodes and connections is a communication network. Long-distance transmission between stations, called end devices, is typically done over a network of switching nodes. Two different technologies: circuit switching and packet switching. In circuit switching, there is a dedicated communication path between two stations. Circuit switching directly connects sender and receiver in an unbroken path. Advantages of circuit switching. The communication channel, once established, is dedicated. For voice connections, the resulting circuit will enjoy a high percentage of utilization because most of the time one party or the other is talking. Disadvantages. Channel capacity is dedicated for the whole duration of connection. If no data, capacity is wasted. Delay or setup takes time. It is more expensive than other switching techniques. How about packet switching? In packet switching, small units of data called packets, typically of the order of 1000 bytes, are routed through a network. Each packet contains a portion of user data and some control information. On each switching node, packets are received, stored briefly or buffered, and passed on to the next node. In this, data A and B are sent at the same time. Data is broken into small parts. Control information contains routing or addressing information so as to be routed to the intended destination. Two types of packet switching: datagram and virtual circuit. Let's learn more about the datagram approach. In datagram switching, each packet is treated independently with no reference to the packets that have gone before. Datagram packet switching process. In this process, a message is broken into packets. Each node chooses the next node on a packet's path. Here, packets can take any possible route to reach their destination. Advantages of datagram. If a node fails, packets may find an alternate route. Routing can be used to avoid congested parts of the network. It is good for bulky data, such as web applications. Now let's learn about virtual circuit approach. In virtual circuit, a pre-planned route is established before any of the packets are sent. Then, all the packets follow the same route. Virtual circuit switching process. The network can provide sequencing, that is, packets arrive at the same order, and error control, that is, transmission between two nodes. Advantages of virtual circuit. Packets are forwarded more quickly and no routing decisions are to be made. If a node fails, all virtual circuits that pass through the node fail, hence it is less reliable. Advantages of packet switching. Packets with higher priority can be forwarded first and will experience less delay than lower priority packets. Single node-to-node link can be dynamically shared by many packets over time. Packets are accepted even when the network is busy. Disadvantages of packet switching. Protocol for packet switching is typically more complex. Also, if a packet is lost, sender needs to retransmit the data. Thus, we have learned about packet switching and circuit switching techniques.